Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Shamli and hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm gonna create a beautiful Navratri look. I hope you will enjoy this makeup look and this look will be helpful for your Navratri as well. So let's get started. So as our first step is moisturizers. So I have already applied this Nykaa Skin Potion Radiant Beauty Facial Oil, as I apply it before applying anything on my face, before at least 10 minutes before. So now I'm gonna use this Faces Canada Peach and Cream moisturizer, and even though it's a moisturizer, it contains with foundation. So as a first base product I'm using this. Later I'll use foundation as well. It gives a very creamy base and our cheekbones also becomes highlighted. As the second product of our base, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, as it sets in the skin very easily. It's in 115 Ivory shade. I also apply foundation into my under eye as well, just to cover my dark circles. To give a more light coverage to my under eye, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Also on my eyelids. To give a even finish touch to my base, here I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Compact 28 PA+++, which is in 112 Natural Ivory shade. I am just giving a slightly touch, not using much powder, otherwise our base will become cakey. To apply compact on my under eye, here I am using this small brush so that the application will be very easy. Same as face, I am just using a slightly powder just to set my concealer, nothing else. Also I am applying little bit on my eyelid, using cotton to dust out the powder from my brows. Also using eyebrow brush to clean and to give shape to my eyebrows. You guys can also see the difference. Now filling my brows. As my base is done, now it's done for eye makeup. Here I am using NYX 2 light nude shade to cover my eye crease. Never forget to dust it out before applying. To give the perfect shape at the outer corner of my eye, here I am using this eyeshadow palette plastic. For the main eye shade, here I am using this Maybelline 24K Nudes palette, from which I am using this dark brown shade. To cover inner corner of my eyes, I am using this highlighter. This one I purchased from a local store only, so this is not a specific branded one. To highlight the inner corner of my eyebrows, here I am using this Swiss Beauty highlighter palette. To give a little touch to the bottom line of my eyes, again I am using this dark brown shade, from Maybelline 24K Nudes palette and drawing a thin line just below the bottom line of the kajal line. Now it's time to highlight my eye shade. So here I am using this angular flat brush and applying the black shade from same 24K Maybelline Nudes palette. Basically I am applying it in place of my eyeliner. As you guys can also see the difference after applying black shades. It's quite giving a effect of smoky eyes. I don't use false lashes, so here I am using this Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. Now it's time for contouring. So here I am using my favorite Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick, which is in 07 Barely Nude shade. It literally gives a perfect contour touch. I always use this. To spread it out, here I am using this big flat curved brush. For nose contouring, again I am using same Maybelline Barely Nude shade liquid lipstick, which I have used for my cheeks contouring. And to set it out, again I am using same brush which I used for cheeks. Hey everyone, so I'm done with the video. Hope you like it. If you really like it, please give a thumbs up, do share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so we'll meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.